Yeah. Just before we discussed the moving the files from one location to another location using alter, comments, and detach and attach method. We have one more procedure, backup and restore. Generally, we won't recommend it to move the files from one location to another location using backup and restore. But some scenario, people will follow using backup and restore. Okay. If you go for backup and restore, the time will be double. Why? Because we have to take the backup. Taking the backup, it will take some time. While restoring the backup, it will take some time. Then we have to do the other things. So other things, there is no other things. But the thing is like while restoring, you have to provide the location, which location you want to move it, which location you want to move it. That thing we have to specify in the restore command. So here I have a database. Which database I have taken? Yeah. I have taken a database called like a Adilab database backup I take. While restoring, we have to specify the file location which we want to move. So here, if you want to move only LDF, give it to the different file location. If I want to move the file MDF to another file location, you have to give that particular file which location you have to move it. So first we have to do what we have to do. We have to take the backup and we have to restore it. While restoring it, we have to specify the location, which file you want to move it. So in this database backup, I have three files: Adilab, MDF, and one more file, Adilab, NDF, and one more file, Adilab, log, LD file. So these three files, which file I want to move and which file I want to move, which location. So suppose if I want to decide the log file, then what you need to do? You have to specify the location, which location you have to move it. Just you have to specify the drive and path accordingly, and you have to run it so that database will restored. After restored, the files will be moved to the different location. So that is the reason you people have to practice backup and restore multiple times using with move command. So like I told you, right? So if you go for point in time restore, okay, that time the people will expect to restore the commands using with move, and as well as they will expect with no recovery full backup, with no recovery differential backup, and log backup, right? So that is the reason you have to familiarize the restore command using with move. Why? Because using with move, we have a control. What are the files we have inside the backup and which location we want to move it. So this is the one of the procedure moving the files using backup and restore. So I'm not going to spend more time. Why? Because we spent a lot of time for this area restoration. So you can ask if you have any doubts. Then I will stop the recording and then I will take one more small topic. If you people are okay. Otherwise, I will continue for tomorrow. Let me stop recording here.